Hey everyone, welcome back to Reviewer Winspections. Today, I have something a little different for you, an honest product review. We've all been there, scrolling through reviews, wondering if a product lives up to the hype. Well, today, I'm putting the best doormat to the test. No fluff, no sugarcoating, just straight up honesty about whether this thing is worth your hard-earned cash. Stick around as we dive into the good, the bad, and the downright surprising aspects of Top 5 Doormat. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because, on this channel, we keep it 100%. Let's do this. Number 1. Gorilla Grip Waterproof All-Season Weather Max Doormat. If you live in an area that fully experiences the 4 seasons or just want a functional doormat that doesn't cost as much as a rug, you'll love the Gorilla Grip All-Season Weather Max Doormat. This doormat is not only available in 5 sizes and 26 colors and designs, but it is also stain, weather, and dirt resistant as well, so it should last for years even under prolonged sun exposure. The deep patterned grooves, beveled rubber border, and retention dam help capture debris and moisture so you can keep your floors clean and clear. The low pile also makes it the best doormat for both indoor and outdoor high traffic areas. While this doormat is not machine washable, it can easily be cleaned with a vacuum, broom, garden hose, damp cloth, or even shaken vigorously to get rid of surface dirt. Place it outdoors to easily trap snow, water, sand, leaves, and more, or use it indoors as a pet bowl mat to keep your dog's feeding area clean. Number 2. Slip to Grip Universal Doormat. If you want to wash your doormat regularly, then the Slip to Grip Universal Doormat is the best doormat for your home. It's made of soft polypropylene fiber, which means it's safe to throw it on a gentle cycle in your washing machine, but it can also be hand washed or rinsed with a hose. The doormat is cushioned enough for pets to lay on, but durable and functional enough to absorb moisture and trap dirt to keep your floors clear of debris. The anti-slip backing is also useful for placing it anywhere inside or outside of your home. Although it's only available in 6 colors and 2 sizes, we like how low maintenance this doormat is while still being effective. The simple plaid and low-profile design also makes it a perfect fit for under any door. Material: polypropylene fiber. Care instructions: machine washable, sweep, or hand wash. Number 3. Dye Rubber Doormats Collection All Weather. Whether you live in a rainy or tropical area or have a pool, a doormat that stops you from tracking dirty water or mud is essential in keeping your home clean. The Dye Rubber All Weather Doormat allows water to drain freely due to the open pattern design and recycled rubber material, making it one of the best doormats to consider. The anti-slip backing also keeps the mat in place when wiping or stomping shoes, so you won't have to worry about slipping, especially if your shoes are wet. This doormat can technically work indoors and outdoors, though the open design will leave debris on your floors. This mat is available in over 20 designs and 2 sizes, including a semicircle shape, so you can choose one that best suits your home and style. We also like how easy it is to clean by shaking it and rinsing it with a hose. Number 4. Muddy Mat. No matter the breed or size, dogs will inevitably get dirty or muddy after being outside, so a quality doormat is a must for any dog owner. We recommend the Muddy Mat microfiber doormat because it's machine washable and is made of a soft yet absorbent microfiber material that is gentle on dogs' paws. Plus, it has a rubber backing that'll grip just about any surface. While this doormat may not be durable enough to be kept outdoors for prolonged periods of time, it's certainly durable and functional enough to clean your pet and keep your floors clean. We also like that this mat is available in 4 colors and 5 sizes, including a runner, and has a thick layer of plush that's highly absorbent, so it can comfortably dry off your dog's paws after a rainy day walk. Number 5. Foot Matters Ninamar Mud Scrubber Tray Mat. While snow by itself may not cause the biggest mess, it can create slippery and dirty chaos on your floors when combined with dirt, mud, or other types of debris. To effectively get rid of snow from your shoes and boots before entering your home, the best doormat is the Foot Matters Ninamar Mud Scrubber Tray Mat. This heavy-duty doormat has a rubber tray base with scrubbers and coir bristles to easily trap all kinds of debris. It's also weather-resistant, so it can withstand all the elements and stay in good condition. While this doormat may not necessarily be the most visually appealing option, it's one of the most efficient, especially when it comes to snow and mud. Product details: dimensions, 16 by 24 inches, shape, rectangle, material, coir and rubber. Care instructions: shake, clean, sweep, or rinse with a hose. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.